Let's go. Woke up feeling a little sandy. Quick disclaimer in case you guys were wondering, it actually snowed last night in Mexico. So let's go enjoy the Mexican streets. Look at this fucking hooligan right in the way. Get out of the road. Uh-oh, now he's following me. Yo, that's probably my FBI agent, so we gotta get out of here quick, boys. Quick time. Zero traction. He's still following. Alright, he's turning the other way. We're good, boys. We're good. Not gonna lie though, that was really sus. As soon as I drove past him, I looked at him. He came right out behind me. He was like, I'm coming for you, bitch. Sounds like shit below 3,000 RPM because I have a ton of exhaust leaks, but you know, we'll live. Sounds good above that, so that's all that matters. That's where we spend most of our time. Get traction, come on. There we go. It's funny, people see a guy in a BMW driving around with a GoPro and they're like, oh fuck, he must be fast. He must have something under the hood of his car. Sorry to break it to you, bruh. We stock for now. Look at this. This is what you see down in my area. They're like not even attached. They like escaped or some shit. Holy. Since you guys stayed to the end and you're still watching this, I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of what's to come very soon. We're getting this snowmobile within the next couple weeks for sure. We're not getting anything less than a 600. We ain't playing around. I think that would be a great addition to the channel. Like fuck, I could just take off ripping there. In my area, we have some of the best snowmobile trails. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Cheers.